Hi, my name is Deb Davies, and I'm a licensed acupuncturist, birth doula, and childbirth educator. And I'm also the founder of the Integrative Medical Discussion Group. I wanted to just take a minute to introduce myself and the group and explain some of the goals, and thank you all for being here tonight. It's really exciting. This journey of integrative medicine and my passion for it started a long time ago in 1995. I was working for an acupuncturist in the suburbs of Philadelphia while I was going to school for fashion merchandising. So I was so blown away by this woman, Kathy Goldstein, and her ability to help people and provide all these options in healthcare. Back then, people would come to the office, and I was a receptionist, answer the phones, and would say, "I've tried everything, and I've had this disease for 20 years and I'll give it one shot and see what you can do." And these people would come in and be totally blown away by results and pain and all sorts of things. Anyway, I wound up coming back to California, where I'm from, and I had the event that really changed my life was losing my daughter in 2001. I had a stillborn at term, and that really was the worst thing in my life. But wonderfully, it's become the best thing in my life because everything I do stems from that loss. I am an acupuncturist specializing in fertility and especially pregnancy and birth. I think I'm the only doula in San Diego right now that is an acupuncturist. It's actively doulaing. I also teach hypnobirthing, which is a childbirth prep class to empower the families to have positive birth experiences. Anyway, with the integrative group, I became an acupuncturist. I had the loss. I went to PCOM. I decided at that point I wanted to do something meaningful in my life, so I started studying acupuncture to be able to help people. I had already become a massage therapist starting in 1999 at the Mind Body College. And then while I was at PCOM, I became friends with some UCSD folks, and they had a group called HiMed, stood for Holistic Integrative Medical Group. And we used to have these meetings at Dr. Jamie Jones' house in La Jolla, and they had told me, "Oh, invite your friends." Well, one time we had 40 acupuncturists show up at this doctor's house, and they said, "Deb, you need to start your own group." So the Integrative Medical Discussion Group was born at PCOM with the help of Laura Koljanen, one of my acupuncture colleagues, and Stacy Gomes, who supported me from the beginning from PCOM. And what we would do is we would invite Eastern and Western medical professionals and students together into an educational forum where we would have 4 panels of expert. We would have an MD, an acupuncturist, a psychologist, and maybe a chiropractor discuss a topic like integrative women's health, integrative pediatrics, integrative oncology. Well, over the years, these meetings grew and grew and grew, and we outgrew PCOM eventually, and our last meeting was hosted at UCSD with about 150 people. So I've been re-inspired to gather and collaborate. I've always been collaborating with the integrative medical field, but to bring the group together, because really the purpose of this group is to improve healthcare overall. And if all of us work together collaboratively with our ideas and providing options, patients having better satisfaction, decreasing the healthcare costs, and again, just working together. And so I'm going to continue doing these groups. I really want to thank you and honor each and every one of you for taking the time to come out tonight and represent and to show your faces and to help build this integrative medical community in the future. In 2015, I'm going to host several of these events every other month. We do have the dates on the website. And again, the focus is going to be collaboration within the community and improving cross-referrals so that we're able to cross-refer more professionally, more confidently in those integrative medical professionals. I also plan to host online an integrative medical discussion group on the topic of birth, and we're going to be utilizing experts from around the world. It's going to be awesome. So there's a lot to come in 2015. Thanks for being part of this journey with me.